In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PNC Bank account to Cash App. Whether you're using a debit card or prefer to link directly through your bank login, I've got you covered with two straightforward methods. Let's dive right in. First up, if you have a PNC debit card, this method will be the quickest and easiest option. Begin by opening the Cash App on your phone. Once you're in, look for the bank icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. You might also see a tab labeled Money, which serves the same purpose, so feel free to tap on that instead. Now, you're going to want to select Link Bank or Add Bank to get started. From the options presented, choose Debit Card. This is key because it tells Cash App that you're opting to use your PNC debit card for a direct connection. Enter your PNC debit card number as well as any other required details. Make sure you double check these for accuracy before proceeding. Finally, tap on Add Card and you're all set. Your PNC debit card is now linked to your Cash App account, making it easy to manage your finances. If you don't have a PNC debit card or simply prefer to link your account through your bank login, this next method is for you. Start by opening the Cash App and tapping on the same bank icon in the bottom left corner. You'll see options like Linked Banks or Link Bank, and you should select one of these to continue. From there, you'll be offered an option that says No Card or Link Bank Account. Choose that one, and Cash App will guide you to Plaid, a secure third-party service that handles bank account connections. In Plaid, you'll need to search for a PNC Bank. Once you find it, go ahead and select it. This will prompt a login screen where you'll enter your PNC online banking username and password. Follow the prompts, select the account you wish to link, and confirm your choices. Once this is complete, your PNC Bank account is linked to Cash App. You'll be able to easily add funds from your PNC account or cash out to it whenever you need. Now let's talk about a few common issues you might encounter. If you get an error saying your login is incorrect, double check your PNC credentials to ensure they're accurate. If you notice that PNC isn't listed on Plaid, don't worry, sometimes banks are temporarily unavailable. You can either try again later or switch over to the debit card method if it's urgent. Lastly, keep an eye out for any prompts for two-factor authentication. PNC might require you to verify your identity via SMS or email, so be prepared for that extra step. And there you have it, a complete guide to linking your PNC bank account to Cash App using two different methods. Whether you use a debit card or prefer to link through your bank login, you're now ready to manage your